So, ngayon, volumetric torque density. So, yung volumetric torque density is the amount of torque produced by an actuator relative to its volume or total volume. So, ang focus nito is yung space. So, alam naman natin yung formula, total torque over V. Yung V is yung volume, kaya volumetric torque density. Pag sinabi mo namang gravimetric torque density, amount of torque produced by an actuator, amount of torque produced by an actuator based on total mass. So, ang focus nito is yung mass. Kung yung volume is yung space, which is yun naman talaga definition ng volume, amount of space occupied by a matter, di ba? Pero ito is mass. So, yung torque niya is naka-base sa mass or total mass. So, torque over mass o yung total mass o yung M. So, pag mass is pwedeng Newton meter per kilogram, Newton meter per gram, ganyan. Pero pag volume, Newton meter per millimeter cube, Newton meter per cubic meter, di ba? So, yan. Yun yung mga units, no? So, maganda na napag-aaralan natin yan, no, sa density, no? Importante yan. Meron tayong mass density, torque density. Meron pang current eh. Susundan natin yung current density. Yung current density natakal na pala natin. So, last na yan sa density. Ngayon, torque. Diba? So, yun. Yun na importanteng nalalaman natin ngayon. So, yun lang po.